Crane coming up, watch the line. Roger that, keep it steady. Easy on the descent. Slings are connected. Take the slack. Cut the thickest ones first. Careful, sparks. It's coming loose now, get back. Set the forward blocks now. Make sure they're aligned with the struts. Easy, easy, bring it down slow. Watch the starboard side. Almost there, centered on the blocks. Hold it steady.
Tension looks good on the forward port side.
Confirmed. Maintaining course and speed.
Roger that. Watch the overhang approaching.
Secure the main rotor strap.
It's secure. Moving to the rear pins now.
We are tight against the fender now. Roger that. Securing the stern line.
Crane, slow descent to 5 meters.
Confirmed. Hydraulics are stable at 200 bars.
Roger that. Coming down.
Cables are tight. Watch the tension. Move it right, right. Clear the hole. All right, bring it down slow. We're clear. Looks good on the left.
A little right. Keep it coming down slow.
All right, it's set. Bring it down 50 millimeters.
Clear on the starboard side. Steady now. Look at the corrosion here on the engine mount. We need detailed scans of these frayed wires.
Copy that. Logging the coordinates now.
Fuel lines disconnected, electrical harnesses are clear. Roger that. Initiating lift sequence. Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. Got it, looks good. Looks good on my side. Set it down. Watch the harness on the left side, it's frayed.
Got it. This unit is heavier than the last one.
Log the serial number before we move it completely. The bolts are clear. Start lowering the jack slowly, keep it level. Copy that, going down. Watch your feet, moving the cart now. Clear the gear now. It's clear. Lift it steady. Watch the tail rotor.
Okay, the teardown review is complete. We need to focus on the rotor assembly next.
Agreed. The rigging points here need reinforcement.
Understood. Let's move to phase 4.
Run the servo diagnostics on the azimuth motor.
Clear parameters. The stabilization looks good.
Okay, torque is good on this side.
Ready for the final blade installation now.
The main rotor hub undergoes a complete disassembly and rebuild. We inspect the heavy-duty bearings and replace.
Okay, route the main return line through the center bracket. Got it.
Check the clearance on the actuator rod.
Run the final diagnostic on the phase coupling.
Diagnostics complete. All green, Director.
It's flawless.
Hold it steady, bring it down another inch.
Aligning the rear mounts now. Looks good.
All right, set it in place. Aligning the mount here.
Fuel lines connected. Ready for final tightening.
Harnesses connected and secured. Ready for torque check.
Confirmed. 20 inch-pounds on the fasteners.
With the refurbished seats in place, the team installs the new digital displays, connecting them to the avionics system with military precision.
All right, insert the bolts.
Got it. Hand me the torque wrench.
Check the feet alignment.
Easy, bring it down 5 millimeters.
Lines connected, torquing the main bolts now.
Installation complete, optic alignment next.
Check the alignment jig on your side.
Looks good. Torquing the final bolts now.
Final torque sequence complete on the main hydraulics.
Pressure test passed. All readings are nominal.
Final inspection confirms structural integrity.
All systems green, Director. Ready for deployment.
Excellent work, team.